Meaning of ette.
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 Ette. The suffix ette is typically used to denote a smaller or lesser version of something. It can be added to nouns to create diminutive words that indicate a smaller size or scale, or to verbs to create diminutive actions or performances. Examples include kitchenette, a small kitchen, cigarette, a small cigar, and etiquette, the customary code of polite behavior. Adding ette to a word often conveys a sense of cuteness, femininity, or charm. Overall, the use of this suffix implies a reduction in size, importance, or impact.